So we are on our Robinson projection map. Remember, projection maps are specially made to try to eliminate the stretching that happens. It doesn't do it completely, but it helps make it a more accurate picture. And we are looking at our Robinson projection map. Yesterday we highlighted the equator and the prime meridian. And today's questions say, how many continents lie partially or completely south of the equator? So anything that's south of the equator. Well, we already know from yesterday that this one's down here. That's below the equator. That's Antarctica. So there's one. Okay, here's another continent. That's Australia. That's completely below the equator. Here's part of this one. That's Africa. Here's part of this one. That's South America. One, two, three, four. But, what is this here? That's just a tiny little bit. Oh my goodness, that is a tiny little bit of Asia that comes down in here. So one, two, three, four, five. Aren't we glad they didn't ask us to write them all? This says how many, so the answer is five. Number two. Most of the contiguous United States, that's the United States that are hooked together, contiguous meaning continuous or hooked together ones, not Alaska and Hawaii that are in different places. Most of the contiguous United States falls between which two lines of latitude? Oh, and here it says contiguous means touching on one or more sides. So if I find the United States and I have most of it, so this line right up here is pretty much, I know it doesn't look like it because there's a lot of Canada up there, but most of this line of latitude is, or within 1 degree of that, is our northern border of the United States. There might be tiny little pieces sticking up. And down here, most of it is above this, except for the little bit of Florida we got here. Even most of Texas, so that it looks like there's a tiny little piece of Texas. So most of it is between 30 degrees north and 45 degrees north. So what I would write down here, 30 degrees north latitude and 45 degrees north latitude.